Changing your primary email with Suncoast Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Suncoast Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new email is now set as your primary contact. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Suncoast Credit Union's customer service for assistance.